Hey, good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for coming back. Welcome to Crypto India. This is your host Shiv. So I want to wish you all a very happy Diwali if you're from India, and wish you all a very happy and prosperous year. Of course, we are into cryptocurrencies and blockchain space, so we definitely have a lot of positive future ahead. So thank you so much, and let's get into today's news. And there are a couple of very important news that actually I wanted to share with you all. And when I say important, they are really, really important. So I would request you all to uh, go through this video, especially very, very carefully, and I mean, be very alert. And also, when I'm done with the video, I'm going to leave some links of those news that I'm going to talk to you about, and probably go ahead and check out those links and find more information, research on those topics as well. So, starting from cryptocurrency market cap, so we will talk about it. To give you a summary, we're going to talk about the Bitcoin Gold update. They have come up with some update on Bitcoin Gold, and I can see Ramakant had commented on one of my videos that he wanted more information on Bitcoin Gold, and I really think that information in the last video was not enough. And of course, there are some new updates on Bitcoin Gold. We are talking about that. We're also talking about the Bittrex exchange. There was some weird action. There are a few users from India and across other countries, a few countries who are not able to access their Bittrex account. So we'll talk about that. And yes, we will talk about, in terms of adoption, we'll talk about Microsoft now accepting Bitcoin as a payment mechanism. So let's get right into it. So we'll talk about the cryptocurrency market cap right now. So you have Bitcoin at about $5,474, which is below 5,500, and then you have Ethereum at 326. It reached about 340 yesterday after the Byzantium hard fork, and then again it came down to 326. You have Ripple at 25 cents, Bitcoin Cash at $310, Litecoin at 62 Dash at $300. So if you see, the top five cryptocurrencies on crypto market are right now in minus. And yeah, that's it. So let's talk about the news now. So Bitcoin Gold has definitely worked on the website. Like I said, uh, do check on the link in the description below and check out the Bitcoin Gold, because they have some very good information. They have, of course, updated their website. The website really looks very fancy right now, and they have added the replay protection, so which was a major concern earlier, that what if you're trying to sell your Bitcoin Gold and your Bitcoin, the original Bitcoin, also goes through. So I think they have taken care of the replay protection now, so that should not be a problem. So your Bitcoin funds are protected. uh, and of course, they have given a comparison between Bitcoin, Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin Cash, and Segwit 2. It's a beautiful comparison table that they have. And of course, there is a time clock that they mentioned, which says that 8 days, 5 hours, 24 minutes, and 10 seconds left, 9, 8, 7, 6, just like we had it on the Byzantium uh, yesterday on the Byzantium, during the Byzantium hard fork. So very interesting to see. Please go ahead and check out this Bitcoin Gold website. And there are some FAQs also. So a lot of people, a lot of you have some questions about Bitcoin Gold, as to how would I get my Bitcoin Gold, and where should I keep my Bitcoin in order to get Bitcoin Gold, and how Bitcoin is gold is different from other. So they have given FAQs also. One thing that I would like to point out, that they had mentioned that how can I get Bitcoin Gold, and how should I receive Bitcoin Gold. So where they have mentioned that you keep your Bitcoin in any wallet where you hold the private keys, and not in an exchange. Like in an exchange, you don't hold the private keys. So they have given an example of some of the hardwares, like some of the wallets, like Electrum wallet, Bitcoin Core wallet, Mycelium wallet, or hardware wallet, which I always recommend you guys to go ahead and go for a hardware wallet. I always have a link of the Ledger wallet, Ledger Nano wallet, in the description below. And if you click on that website, it will take you to the Ledger wallet website, which is the official website, a safe one, where you can order your hardware wallet. So So this is about Bitcoin Gold, and they have clearly mentioned that you will be getting the equivalent number of Bitcoin Gold as you have Bitcoin Gold, and provided you own the private keys. So that's about Bitcoin Gold, a very interesting update that they have come up with. Let's talk about this WikiLeaks founder, Julian Assange, who tweeted earlier that he thanked actually U.S. government for forcing him to go ahead with Bitcoin. So if you remember back in 2010, because of the controversy, the U.S. government asked Visa card, Master, Amex, and PayPal, all of them to uh, cut the support to WikiLeaks, in terms of finance. So no donations. So WikiLeaks is basically runs on a donation from people, right? So when US government asked these companies, PayPal, Visa and all, to cut the financial support, actually about 10 or 15 millions of their WikiLeaks money was frozen by these organizations, which pushed WikiLeaks to actually go ahead and receive these donations in Bitcoin and other digital currencies. So he has tweeted thanking the US government, saying that thank you so much for forcing me to collect my funds in Bitcoin, because that has given me about 50,000% return. And interestingly, there was at the same time in 2010 when he announced that we will be receiving the payments in Bitcoin and digital currency, there was a letter from Satoshi Nakamoto, email from Satoshi Nakamoto, saying that don't do that, which is very, very interesting to read. Anonymous person sending an email to him that don't do it as yet, because we are too small. The Bitcoin was very small at that time in 2010. What if people come out, especially from the people from the government, they come out, they might destroy it. So that was an email that he had received. Of course, it's a very, very interesting article here, which you should, if you have time, you should go ahead and read that. So that's a tweet from Julian Assange. Let's talk about the Bittrex. So what is happening, guys, now? If you have any account on Bittrex.com, if you have any funds on Bittrex.com, I would request you all to go ahead and check your Bittrex account immediately, which I checked mine, of course. So what has happened is the Bittrex has started closing down the accounts, so the users do not have access to their Bittrex account anymore. And so Cointelegraph, one of the news channel, one of the news media, reported that they have been receiving letters from users that they are not able to access their Bittrex account. In fact, a similar thing happened with one of my friend who could not access her Bittrex account, and she reported me that, do you have any idea why it is happening? So there are letters, there are comments from the users saying that my Bittrex account is disabled for more than 3 days without any warning announcement, and their support do not answer. So their supports is not answering, and plus users are not able to log into their Bittrex account. What if you have sufficient amount of funds, and if you're not able to access your Bittrex account? This is definitely a matter of concern. So there is another letter that says in Iran more than 3,000 accounts have been deactivated without reason. That is in Iran. And another Bittrex customer says that I talked to many users on Telegram groups, and most affected countries are Syria, India, Iran, Russia, Pakistan and Turkey. So this is what happened, and this is why it is not always safe actually to keep your funds on any of the cryptocurrency exchanges. In return, they have all Bittrex has replied is that contact to support.bittrex.com, but there have been no response from support.bittrex.com. And so this is definitely a matter of concern. They have not given us as a final verdict as of now what exactly is the cause of this issue, but I hope that you guys are able to access your accounts, and if you are, probably you can go ahead and transfer your funds from Bittrex to some other account or maybe some other wallet. It seems like there is something going on with Bittrex right now. Alright, so Microsoft has now added the Bitcoin. If you have been on WhatsApp and other social media, you must have been seeing this small image wherein it says that you can now add payment to Microsoft you can fund Microsoft Wallet using Bitcoin. So it's very much on their website. So they have given an instruction how to use to add money to Microsoft account. So go to account, under payment and billing, payment option, redeem Bitcoin, next open in wallet, and things like that. So this is definitely a great news. A company like Microsoft, which is like a global company, and accepting Bitcoin is a great news. So uh, things like that really keep you inspiring and keeps your belief into these cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. So yes, that's an amazing news. Do share this with your friends who are involved in cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, and I'm sure they will love this. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. I don't want to really make a long video. Of course, there's a lot to share, but I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Hit the subscribe button if you have not, and take care. Bye.